your friend's house, your extended family's living room, the Airbnb you just stayed at. They're probably not places you want to leave your Netflix account logged in, especially if you're limited on the number of devices you can stream from at the same time. I'm Chris Hagan, and today we're going to talk about how to log out of Netflix on a smart TV because it's surprisingly not as straightforward as you may think. So let's clear that confusion. We're going to start on the Netflix homepage, and you'd think it would be clearly defined along the menu on the left side of the screen. However, it is not. The sign out option is also not available on the Switch Profiles page because that would also make too much sense. Instead, you're going to go down to the Get Help option, and funny enough, it is the most helpful menu that gives you all kinds of choices. From there, simply make your way down to the Sign Out button, and voila, you've signed out and won't be wondering why Netflix is prompting you to continue watching Love is Blind. Well, unless you're actually watching Love is Blind, because I'm not afraid to admit that it is tremendously entertaining. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you at all, hit that like button below and definitely subscribe to the channel as we continue to solve your home theater problems.